Welcome back, everybody, to another cryptocurrency news article. This one's coming from the Bitcoinist, and former BlackRock manager says prepare for a $17.7 trillion inflow into Bitcoin if this happens. Now, if this did actually happen, just basically like Bitcoin's like half a trillion right now, market cap. So let's just say 1 trillion doubles and then times that by 17. Bitcoin could 17x if this were to happen. So let's see what he has to say. So, Bitcoin could see an influx of up to $17.7 trillion from institutional investors as former BlackRock manager predicts in the imminent approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US. While some market players have dashed the hopes of the SEC approving a spot Bitcoin ETF, others have been optimistic. According to a former BlackRock manager, director Stephen Schoenfield, spot Bitcoin ETFs are on the way into financial institutions, writing within a timeline of the next 3 to 6 months. Now, approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs is very close. The SEC has been under intense pressure to approve the various applications of these spot Bitcoin ETFs as received in the past few months, recently with a few US senators voicing their opinions on the subject, pleading with the SEC to approve the application as soon as possible. Now, many analysts have spoken about a predicted in as early as 2024 timeline for the SEC approval of the ETFs. Bloomberg analysis estimated that the likelihood of approval has now increased to 75%, so it's almost guaranteed now. Now, Stephen Schoenfield, now the CEO of Market Vector Indexes, had initially given a timeline of 9 to 12 months for the SEC approval. However, the executive has brought out of this timeline considering recent updates. While speaking at a panel of discussions on ETFs at the CC Data's Digital Assets Summit in London, Schoenfield said a spot BTC will most likely hit the market in the next 3 to 6 months. Now, the SEC will probably approve of all spot Bitcoin ETF applications at the same time. Now, don't think they want to give anybody first mover advantage. Instead of completely rejecting the whole list, they've asked for comments, now which is marginal but significant improvement in the dialogue, Schoenfield said. Now, the potential market game changer. The top crypto has witnessed a notable spike from applications of spot Bitcoin ETFs, and in approval could reshape the digital asset market and propel Bitcoin to new highs. North America, especially the United States, currently accounts for 98% of all crypto future ETFs trading volume. Here's a tweet by Eric Bashunas. Every single one of the top 15 performing equity ETFs this year is crypto related. WGMI leading the way, 227%, financially attracting flows too, although pretty modest considering these perf numbers. This is part of our monthly crypto ETF report. Also going over another chart, another good chart from the report is this one. North America accounts for 98% of all the crypto ETF trading volumes in the world. If/when spot ETFs come out in US, this will likely go to 99.5%. Now, if the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF could unlock a massive inflow of capital from the institutional investors up to 17.7 trillion from financial institutions, according to Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Bashunas, this would push North America's stake to over 99.5%. Now, BlackRock alone, who is currently spearheading the spot Bitcoin ETF charge, has over 9.4 trillion in assets under management, and other Wall Street giants like Wisdom Tree, Invesco, Galaxy, Valkyrie, VanEck are also waiting for the approval. So I don't know. How soon do you think this is going to go through? It's pretty much imminent that the ETF will get approved. When I've heard as soon as maybe the end of November, if not the end of November, the very beginning of January. So it does meet this a 3 to 6 month period, but it seems pretty guaranteed that an ETF is going to happen and a lot of money is going to flow into it. So what are your thoughts on when this ETF will get approved? Because they're not just going to do one to give mover advantage, they're going to do them all at once, and it's going to be crazy. So if you guys enjoyed this article, smash that thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.